Follow me. I bring you go. Trust me, I know where to go one.
Hey dear, you know where we're going or not?
Of course I know lah. I heard that place, the food very nice. Trust me, follow me. Won't wrong one.
Do you check?
Of course I
Are you sure it's here?
Of course it's here. This timing sure open one. Trust me. Let's go, yeah?
I told you to check, right?
I'm sorry, but don't worry. Next time won't happen again. No need to worry.
Where the hell is this place?
I also don't know eh.
You never check!
Must check man.
I told you to check, right?
Okay. Next time I will check.
Next time, please check or at least have a plan B.
Aiya, no problem lah.
Larry, this is going to be our house renovation. Please have some backup plans or at least just check a few before you go.
Don't worry, I know what to do one. Confirm can one. No.
You sure, ah?
Sure, very sure.
Okay, this is the last time.
A few moments later.
Where to find interior designer ah? Wow, don't know where to find eh. Start from where ah? Shit. I don't even know where to start eh. Eh? The cat very cute.
Two hours later.
After wasting a lot of time, he chanced upon Renopedia, a renovation platform. And he signed up for it just in the nick of time.
Did you?
Don't worry. I use Renopedia.sg. There'll be 5 to 8 interior designer that's going to call us. And we still stand a chance to win 80,000 cashback there.
Wow, you really have done the job.
Of course.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.